afternoon. I'm in the middle of making lunch. I have another one of those pizzas I made from Trader Joe's. And then we're going to do some fun stuff preparing for the bonfire tonight. Very exciting.
Keep hitting me.
Do you love Daddy, Graham?
Take that as a yes.
Does he give the good scratches? I.
She's just stretching, Mama.
Don't do that.
She's just stretching, Mama.
It's okay, but don't do it there. Thank you for the kiss. Right, I'm getting ready for our bonfire tonight. I'm gonna make some cookies that I didn't make during our movie night and bring them over. I think it'd be a nice little treat. Oh dear. Do we have a cookie sheet available? Well, nothing more than that. Oh dear. Okay, stand by on that. Look at this beautiful blood orange. Oh, comparatively, this one's not as bloody. This one, that one's a blood orange. They're supposed to be Dracula blood, quite like the advertising, so I got it. And that is a blood orange. try some of this mulled cider just to see if it needs anything else. I'm gonna ask Ethan because I think it's good, but he might want it spicier. Honey?
Huh?
Try the cider, tell me what you think.
That's really good.
Is it where you want it?
I mean, what do you mean by
More
that?
spicy, more apple?
I don't know, it's good.
I think it's pretty well balanced.
Wow.
Okay. So the silver thermos, is that the one that you think holds the heat the longest?
What silver thermos?
It's the one that you had, that you brought over.
The one that doesn't have a lid?
No, it has a lid.
Mm-hmm.
I took the lid off, so if that's not its lid, I don't know what's going on.
Let's go. You must show me.
Okay, let's go. Oh, can you turn on the bats? Is this one?
It's just a coffee cup, but yeah.
Was there another thermos?
Yeah, it didn't have a lid, and I'm pretty sure I threw it away.
Well, I have a spider thermos, but it's like for soup, not really for drink.
Oh, we can bring it. All that's not gonna fit in there.
Okay, spider thermos. And I figured what we could bring is like the thermos that keeps it hot, and then have our own like cups that we just drink it out of whenever we drink
I
it.
was thinking that we could do both of these.
Okay, that's a good plan. Ah, cookies. Okay, we're still good. We're still good. Paranoid,
Yes.
but I did a pretty good job.
Be heading out.
Yeah,
in the
pretty
next,
soon.
Like half an hour.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Actually, half an hour to 45 minutes.
If you want to start getting the chairs and stuff in the car, I'd
Thank you.
appreciate it. Thank you. I'm probably gonna spruce myself up a little bit and make sure.
Put on my boots and I'm good to go.
Yeah, you look so good. You actually look better than me comparatively. Like, I'm just wearing whatever, and you're like so put together. That sounds like a Taylor Swift song. I'm just wearing whatever. You look so put together. Teardrops on my guitar. We're ready and good to go. We've got 2 thermos of apple cider. The cookies are packed away. Darling, I left you cookies. I left you cookies so that we don't have all of them at the party. I don't know why I said that way, so that you can have some later. Yay! Okay, so Ethan is grabbing something in the house. We're about to head to the bonfire, meet up with friends. I'm bringing oracle cards just because I have a feeling that tonight's gonna get a little spooky, and I'm excited to see if we can make it spookier. Either way, first bonfire of October. Tomorrow's gonna be a bigger bonfire. This one is gonna be mostly with friends, so I'm not anticipating it being too big, but tomorrow we're going all out. It's gonna be so fun. But yeah, hopefully we make it there in good time. Yeah. God, I love October.